Jody Walters here at MarineMax, Panama City Beach, Florida. Today we're on top of the Solstice 230. It's 23-foot Harris tri-tune. Of course, you have the quality pontoons from Harris that have triple chambers, so if you were to rupture a chamber, you have the safety of only a third of the chamber being compromised. We've covered that in several different videos. You can see it in detail on their website. We'd like to concentrate on the top of this boat. So first of all, we're going to look at these doors. Every one of the doors have got the solid bracing beam. Takes 400 pounds of force, so if you did have a child running or lean up against this or caught a wave wrong or anything, you're insured not to this door to be compromised. So it's a great safety feature. Come on board, let's take a look at some of the other features on it. You'll notice the beautiful loungers in front. It's the sterling gray on gray. This is their new design. This is with the 2020. They've upgraded the upholstery. The flip-up armrest, also with Harris. Another key feature is that they have complete canistered seating. So whatever you put into the seating, you come on board, you're wet, you got wet clothes, you get some splashing around. It's not going to get inside this, so whatever you put inside that is going to stay dry. It has channels that channel the water away from the boat. Plenty of cup holders. We've got 8 JL audio system speakers, which is the premier sound system in the marine industry. We have a locking ski locker here for your skis and wakeboard. We've got locking glove box here. As you come further back, we have another access door to port. Same bracing system on it. You have the elevated console, the dual captain's chairs, which is a really hot feature. Come over here, we also have the digital controls from Yamaha that also have the docking feature. So as this is engaged, if you were to accidentally throttle it up, you're only going to stay at 800 RPM. You're not going to ram the dock. It's a great safety feature. It's easy to teach children how to drive, get them time out on the water. We have a complete double bimini. Each one of these biminis can be used together in the up mode, or both of them can be down, or one or the other. Comes with a little Lowrance on hook, GPS, and fish finder, along with your JL audio system. But one of the best features of this boat is, as for water sports, with the 200 Yamaha, which is plenty of power to push this boat and pull water skiers and tubers and wakeboarders and kneeboarders. Again, all the cushions are hinged. You have tons of storage locker. But this what makes this boat unique. It has this new design forward-facing seat. It's extremely comfortable. 3 people could sit here easily. You can also pull it back. Now you have a rear-facing lounger. But not only that, you have one other feature. You now have a complete lounger. One of the best features on the Solstice 230, everybody likes, is pop-up changing station. You can recess a porta potty in there for those, times that you need it on the island. Also, if you're ready to change clothes, go out to eat, gives you some privacy to change clothes. We'll walk back here to the back of the boat. We have another locking gate. One thing I really like about Harris's ladder is extra wide here, bringing the coolers in and out of the boat. But one thing about this ladder I really like is double up to the top, double step. But a lot of these ladders want to swing under the boat. This one is designed to be locking at a certain angle, so you're no more climbing in and swinging under the boat, getting up underneath the tubes. It just makes it extremely safe. It's extremely sturdy. So you can even bring your big brother along. He can even have a good time on the boat too. Again, powered by the Mercury 200. Plenty of torque for all your water sports. I'm Jody Walters, MarineMax, Panama City Beach, Florida. 850-708-1317. Come test drive it. Let's run out to the island and see how she fits.